Hello everyone, so welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to solve another problem called palindrome numbers. So the problem states that given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So what is a palindrome? So palindrome is a number. If you take a mirror image of that number, it will be the similar, or we can say that if you read that particular number from left to right or from right to left, you're gonna get the same number. So let me explain this on whiteboard. So we have a number. Just assume that we have a number that's there in the example called 1 2 1. So this is a palindrome because if we read it from left to right or from right to left, we're gonna get 1 2 1. Now let's take another number, maybe 1 2 3 1, and in this particular case we're not going to get the same number if you're going to go from left to right and right to left, right? In this case this is not a palindrome. So now then, how we can find a palindrome? So in JavaScript, let's take an example like 1991. Okay, in JavaScript there is an easy way to do it. Like for example, I can make this particular thing into a array. X is equal to, then I'm gonna let str, so I'm gonna split it and make an array, and then I'm gonna get reverse using our JavaScript reverse method, right? That will reverse the string, and I just have to return if x equals to x dot reverse or not, right? If reverse and both are same, I get the again I have to get a string from this reversed one. So both string, sorry, this str and the str2, right? str2 that we get after reversing the array and converting into string. If I just have to return the string 1 and the string 2, the reverse string and the first string that we gave as the input. If both are same, it is a palindrome. But this is not an efficient way. This is the easiest way. Definitely we can get the answer from this, but this is not the efficient way, right? So how are we gonna find it? See, now here, since in a palindrome, if we go from left or from right, we're gonna get the same numbers. So we're gonna do the same trick. We're gonna start a pointer at 0 and a pointer at the length -1, that is 4, and sorry, 3 here, and two other pointers are 0 and 2. Okay, so now at the beginning itself, our 0th index value need to be third index value, right? Then after that we just have to increment it, like 0 become 1 index, and we're going to decrement this index, the right index, to 2. Again this should match. Now again, if we increase or decrease, our I will become larger than 2. So at that time we have to break the loop. So any point until that, if we get a number that is not same, then we have to break the loop and send false. It is not a palindrome. Otherwise, until our loop exhausted by the condition, we should be finding all the numbers matching with the j number. Means ith index number should be matching with jth index number. So that's how we're gonna find it out, and this should be the solution. So now let's try implementing the same solution using JavaScript. So the array method that I told is very simple, that we just have to, we're gonna get a num array from like num dot split. We're gonna split it and it will give us definitely an array, and we're gonna get it like in reverse, and it will give us a reverse, right? Then we can again join by this, then this will give us the reverse string, reverse str, and then we just have to return if num equals to reverse num, or make it like num2, just for sake of writing, right? You just have to return this. Again, this might be a number, this might be a string, so we can convert this both to number again. Make it a strict typing now. So yeah, this should solve our whole palindrome question, but this is not efficient because we are now doing OFN by splitting. Again, we are reversing OFN, then joining OFN, right? So ON plus ON plus ON, that is 3 ON, we can say it big OFN, but that is, we are doing it multiple times, ON plus ON plus ON. But now if we do our pointer method, it will be less than ON because we are going to break our loop in the middle. So let's do that. So let left pointer, first we're going to initiate the left pointer and our right pointer to 0 and num dot length minus 1. Perfect. Now we have to do a while loop, while left smaller than right. Okay, now we have to do left plus plus, right minus minus minus. Simple. Now we have to compare the num dot char at I not equals to num dot char at not I is equal to our left. We're gonna do left, then you're gonna do right. This condition, if this condition is satisfying, if not same, then we just have to return false. And at the end, return true. If our loop exhausted and all the numbers are matching, we have to send true. So this should solve our question, and let's try to run our test cases. Okay, why this is false again? So these two went right. Let's make it input. And let number equals to string. Perfect. So the issue was that we had to convert this input number into string. That was the issue. Everything else is fine. So let's go to our test cases again and run it again. Passed. So as simple as that. Thank you.